What is a honeypot and how does it improve security? In this video, we would try to understand that. A honeypot is a computer security mechanism that is used to prevent unauthorized attacks on computer systems. It consists of some data, computers, and a network site that appears to be a part of the actual network, but it is not. Instead, it is isolated and monitored. A honeypot seems to contain useful information to the attackers, but actually the data is used as a bait. A honeypot learns about the behavior of attackers in great detail and detects and alerts on the attacker's malicious activities. There are different types of honeypots: production honeypots, research honeypots, high interaction honeypots, and low interaction honeypots. A production honeypot is placed inside a production network along with other production servers. It is easier to deploy and can be used by organizations to improve overall security. A research honeypot is primarily used for research. It is often used by research, military, or government organizations. It can gather extensive information about the motives and tactics of the attackers, but it is often complex to deploy. A high interaction honeypot imitates the activities of a production system so that attackers fall for the trick and spend a lot of time on the system. It is often deployed using virtual machines so that if a honeypot is compromised, it can be restored quickly. A low interaction honeypot gives the attackers minimal access to the operating system. It often contains limited data so that it can deceive the attackers in thinking the attackers are connecting to the real system when in actual they are not. Sometimes two or more honeypots are connected together and form a honeynet. Honeynets are often used to monitor a large network where a single honeypot is not sufficient. I hope this helps. However, interested viewers who want to know more about honeypots can visit the website of the Security Buddy. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.